Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Yeah, well let's...
Oh, the keys.
If you want keys to open it?
Dick.
You're welcome. Would you like Mommy to help you?
I don't need you.
Can I help you?
The key.
Okay, can you say thank you, Pop Pop?
Hey, Papa.
You want to blow him a kiss?
Croc. Ooh. Croc. Croc. Dick. Mama, I did two croc.
Is that a truck?
No, two croc. Ooh. Wow. Croc.
What kind of truck is that?
Soup.
A scooper truck?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Ooh. More croc. Dump croc. Dump croc.
Dump truck. Wait, Cole, who sent these to you again? Wait, no, that's you. Who sent these to you?
Croc.
I know, who sent you the trucks?
Papa.
That's right.
Ooh. Wow, 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 croc.
Hey, Cole, do you want to give Papa another kiss? Hey, Cole. Cole, can you look?
Oh, up there.
Look at all those trucks. Hey, Cole, can you give Pop a kiss? Cole. Whoa, they fell over. Are you stacking them up?
No.
Okay, say bye-bye, Pop.
Bye, Bob.
Say thank you.
Thanks.
Say I love trucks.
I love croc.
Say I love you.
I want you.
Now blow him a kiss.